In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the magic eraser in Canva. If you've ever wanted to quickly remove something from a photo without diving into complicated software, this tool makes it simple and fast. Start by going to your project in Canva. With your design open, click on the image you want to edit so it's actively selected. When the image is selected, you'll see the toolbar along the top of the editor. From there, click on Eraser. In that menu, choose Magic Eraser. As soon as you do, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen with several options designed for different kinds of cleanup. You'll see choices like brush, click, foreground, and text. Each one tells Canva how you want the tool to behave. Brush lets you manually paint over the parts of the image you want to remove, which is helpful for irregular shapes or areas that need a careful touch. Click is great when the thing you want to remove is clearly defined. You can simply click on it, and Canva will try to remove that spot intelligently. Foreground is designed to detect and remove the main subject of the photo, which is perfect if your goal is to clear the primary object and keep the background in place. And text focuses on removing text that's embedded in the image, helping clean up labels, watermarks, or words without you having to trace around each letter. For this example, let's use foreground. Select foreground in the panel, then hit Erase. In a moment, you'll see the main subject disappear because Canva recognizes it as the frontmost element. This is a quick way to clear out people, objects, or products when they're the focus of the photo. If you're targeting something smaller or more detailed, try switching to click for precise taps, or brush for more control over tricky edges. When working with text in an image, choosing text helps the tool focus specifically on letters and their surrounding artifacts. Take a second to look over the result. The preview updates so you can confirm it looks clean. If an area doesn't look quite right, simply choose a different option from the panel and run it again on that spot. And that's it. To recap, open your project, click your image, go to the top toolbar, choose Eraser, then Magic Eraser, and use the left panel to pick Brush, Click, Foreground, or Text based on what you want to remove. With a few thoughtful choices, you'll get a polished result in just a couple of steps.